my bunso enjoying the cereal prawn.
Wow. Nice.
Cereal prawn. Yan, si panganay. Wala cereal prawn. Stingray. What is this? Sambal
Stingray.
stingray. Ito naman ang sa amin ni Habi. Sweet and sour sliced fish. Ha? Fried fish. Yan.
对吧？杨记的这西服是那个。